Rule 1. Application. A. This rule shall apply to all vessels upon the high seas and in all water connected therewith navigable by sea-going vessels. Um, B. Nothing in this rule shall interfere with the operation of a special rule made by an appropriate authority for roadsteads, harbors, rivers, lakes, or inland waterways connected with the high seas and navigable by sea-going vessels. Such a special rule shall conform as closely as possible to this rule. C. Nothing in this rule shall interfere with the operation of any rule made by the government of any state with respect to the additional station or signalized ship or vessel signal for ships of war and vessel proceeding under convoy or with respect to additional station or signal lights or ship for fishing vessel engaged in fishing as a fleet. This additional station or signalized ships or vessel signal shall, so far as possible, be such that they cannot be mistaken for any lights, shapes, or signal authorized elsewhere under these rules. D. Traffic separation scheme may be adopted by the organization for the purpose of this rule. E. Whenever the government concerned shall have determined that a vessel of special construction or purpose cannot comply fully with the provision of any of this rule with respect to the number, position, range, or arc of visibility of lights or shape, as well as to the disposition and characteristic of sound signaling appliance such vessel shall comply with such other provision in regard to the number, position, range, or arc visibility of lights or shape, as well as to the disposition and characteristics of sound signaling appliance, and I as her government shall have determined to be the closest possible compliance with this rule in respect of the vessels.